All right, my name is Terry with Best Choice Roofing. We're out here on one of our clients' roof. We're going to do this pliability test on this shingle right here. You see it's loose. It's got some crease in there. So we're just going to get right into it. Unseal it easy enough. As you can see, trying to pull the nail out, it just pulled right on through, creating a bigger hole in the shingle. So now I'm gonna have to put that nail in a different section just so it can actually tack the shingle down. Being extra careful, not lifting the shingles more than 45 degrees. I also want to show this real quick. So right here, you can see that it has mat transfer on it. Probably see it up under there, I'm not sure. But yeah, definitely some mat transfer, which means it's not going to seal correctly with the new shingle due to that damage. Created another big hole just trying to take the nail out. And again, and just so y'all guys are aware, this is like a white 3-tab. And I don't even think they might make white 3-tabs anymore, but we can find out. We'll leave the shingle here for you guys to do an RLS report. You can come by and pick that up anytime. All right, so we had some mat transfer during it. We showed that some of the nail holes were created bigger just by simply pulling the nails out. We did utilize the snake tool that you guys required. Due to that, with the brittleness of the roof, it created indentions in the shingles. Keep in mind that this is the tool that you guys require us to use. So we just simply doing as you guys ask us to do, to return this back to the indemnification purposes. Yep. Where was that mat transfer?
Right there.
Right.
No, at the end. Right over there somewhere. The bottom. I think it's the bottom one. Yeah, that bottom one right there.
Older shingle. But yep, as you can see, it's just like right here. Much bigger hole. No way the nail will flush. So we had to put it right there. Definitely a failed repair attempt. We also think this shingle is discontinued. Here's the mat transfer right here. Take a pic. I know this is the old shingle, but because there's mat transfer on this one, that means that transfer from the old shingle on the top right here, which means there's no way that it'll be able to meld back together and come in contact the way that it should. Yep, for sure. So BCR out. Thank you.